Hi, I'm Alex from Quick Transport, and we're giving you the Part 2 update of SD5306. Since the last time you saw us working on this trailer, we split the trailer in half, and we sent the first half of the trailer off to sandblasting. So while that's getting worked on, we are now working on the second half of the trailer. So the thing we realized when we were splitting the trailer in half is that we still had 2 more pins and these big rollers that we had to take out. So Travis spent some time taking out these pins and rollers, and after we got that done, we were able to split the trailer in half. So just like the last time with the floor on the first half of the trailer, we did the exact same thing on the back end with the aluminum floor. What we had to do is we had to take out all of the floor screws again on the back here, and we had to take a porta power and push the floor up, and we took all those pieces and we have them all sitting outside in the yard getting ready for when everything comes back and we have to assemble it. So the next thing that we did is we took off all of the wheels and tires here. We're going to keep the brakes on because this trailer is going to be getting a brake job as soon as we're all finished up reassembling it. So it's best to just leave it the way it is right now. This trailer is a tri-axle trailer, so it has 12 tires in total. And they are 17.5, which is the diameter of the tire, so they're pretty small. These were pretty difficult to get off. We had to porta power quite a few of them off because that's the best way we can get them off when they're so seized on. Being on aluminum wheels on these steel hubs, that's the best way you can get them off because they're so corroded on there. It's very difficult to even take a hammer to it or anything. So the last step that we've gotten to so far is we took off the airbags on all of the axles here so that when it gets sandblasted they don't get destroyed, but we're going to evaluate how the condition of the airbags anyway and see if some of them can still go back in or if we need to replace any of them. But the main reason for it is because all of these top airbag plates on here are completely rotted out, so they're junk, and we'll be able to take these off and put new ones on here in-house. So the last thing that we're going to do before this trailer or section of the trailer goes for sandblasting is we're going to be taking out as much of the electrical and air lines as we can. I don't know if we're going to be removing all of it because it's going to be quite a mess to put back together and try to figure out where everything goes back together again. So we're still kind of figuring out how we're going to be able to do that, but stay tuned for more of the process of rebuilding this trailer.